What's going on? Quinn Giles here, and my brother's the cameraman. You can show yourself. All right, and but what we're gonna do, we're gonna change this third brake light on a Mazda 3. I believe the model is 2010 to 2013. I'll put the models in the description below. It could be wrong. So what we're gonna need to get to this third brake light is our window removal tool. So what you're gonna do first to get rid of the window, no, I'm just kidding, that's not what you do. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up this trunk here, okay? So this is a hatchback, by the way. I guess I should have mentioned that. Now, here is the tricky part. It's not that hard, but you're going to, it's plastic trim. If you ever remove plastic trim from a vehicle, it sucks because you feel like you're gonna break it. So what you're gonna do, now if yours breaks, I apologize, but this worked very well for me. It feels like you're gonna break it, but you just pull it and it snaps like that. There we go. And it, like, again, it sounds like it breaks, but they're just like those little poppers that pull in there. So I guess it's probably better off pulling on the edge here. So here is our ball. Now, it's all you're gonna do to remove this is you're just gonna give that a twist towards the car, I believe. There we go. Yeah, so twist it towards the car and just pull it straight out. Very easy. Now, what you're going to do is get something like paper or something just to grab the light. Well, you know what? This one doesn't really matter because it's burnt out, but could be if it just burnt out, it could be hot. So, boys and girls, at our parts store, they told us to get 7440. That's what the little search thingy said. Doesn't fit. These bulbs do not fit. So, luckily, I had for my old Civic. These are like license plate bulbs. On eBay, they call these T10 bulbs. You can look up the bulbs online, but they're just little tiny bulbs. They're used for a lot of interiors and again for a lot of license plates as well. Not all license plates. This is an LED bulb, so because it's an LED, it's the same with the halogen. Just with the halogen, you don't want to touch it with your bare hands because you'll. I'm holding on to the little stem stock thingy here, but with the halogen, if you grab the bulb like directly, you will burn yourself. Not burn yourself. The oil will burn through the light bulb. There you go. That's what I'm trying to say. So it'll just burn out the bulb faster. So before you even put that in, might as well check. So just keep the camera there. Is it working?
Nope, wrong way.
Okay, so that's in the wrong way. Change it around. There we go. Let's try it again. Working?
No.
It's not?
No.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Let me try it. Maybe I just didn't put it in deep enough last time. Now?
There you go.
Yeah, I don't know what that was. They're cheap bulbs. You can get these on eBay. You can literally buy like 20 for like.
I'll put down the trunk and take a look.
What? Yeah, I'm gonna put that. Just gonna put this back in. So all you gotta do to put this in is
ask it nicely.
Yeah, ask it nicely. Just get in there, please. So twist it enough right around this area. There you go. It's like 45 degrees, and then twist it back. And that little wire was in here, so I'm just gonna put that back in there. And that should be good. So let's close it and let's see how it looks.